So today, my friends, I'm going to make the simplest dish ever. It's called roast vegetables. What I've got here are some locally grown in BC vegetables. There's a butternut squash, we've got some mushrooms, beetroot, and basically all you got to do is peel them, cut them up, put them in a roasting dish and stick them in the oven at about 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And leave it for about an hour and they're cooked. It's really simple. I'm going to eat that with a little bit of brown rice. I'm going to take a cup of brown rice. If you can get an organic brown rice, that's best. And we'll rinse it well with water and then add 2.5 times the cooking water to that. So that's 2.5 cups of water and 1 cup of rice. First we give it a wash. Any sticks. I find that brown rice needs to be washed less than white rice. And then we're going to add 2.5 cups of water to that. Bring that to the boil. And then again, what we need to do is just peel the veg up. Very simple. If they're organic carrots, really you can roast them with their skins on. Maybe just give them a wash. And these are organic BC carrots, so they'll be fine. Leaving the skin on makes it even more simple, right? If you've got animals, you can feed them scraps or you can put them in the compost. And really you're just going to make big chunks out of these. There's no need to be fancy when it comes to roast veg. Keep everything very basic. Some BC potatoes, skins on. Don't need to peel them. Some tomatoes. These ones are from Mexico. That's fine. Mexico is our friend. They're not trying to take us over. Mushroom. Put everything up roughly like that. Very simple. I don't know where these shallots came from. I found them in my dad's garage, but it doesn't matter. You can roast onions in their skins. Absolutely fine. I don't know if these are organic, so I'm going to peel them. No need to cut them up. It'll be more tasty that way. Throw them in there. You can see the point of this, can't you? It's incredibly quick to prepare. So what I can do is, I can throw this in the oven, and I can go out and finish my work, and come back in an hour or so, and it's all ready. Oh, we've got some garlic there. So the garlic, you can just crush it and put it in with the skins on. It's organic garlic. There's a trick if you've got your cutting board sliding around, is you can just take a tea towel, put it underneath, stick that on top of the tea towel, and then it won't slide. Now I quite like beetroot skin, so I'm going to leave it on, and I'm going to cut it up. Not too big pieces, because it'll take longer to cook than the other veg. Skin on. And this butternut squash is organic, it's grown in BC. So I'm going to leave the skins on that as well. Cut that up, slices. We just need to get rid of the gunk in the middle. Like I said before, you can keep the seeds and you can roast them. Best thing is if you've got a sunny day is to put them out in the sun on a tray. The whole point is to make a very quick and simple meal. Now what we do is to pour some nice extra virgin olive oil all over that. Don't be shy with the olive oil. Put plenty of it in there. It's going to be much more tasty. Some salt. Bring out the flavor of the food. Bit of black pepper. And then that can just go in the oven. Now all we need to do is wait for the rice to come to the boil, and then we'll put it on a low heat, and then that can stay for 45 minutes and it'll be ready. a bit of stir, put it back in the oven. Okay, time to see what that tastes like. This is hot. Rice is ready. You can hear it sizzling away. Oh, it looks delicious. Take a bowl with some rice. Some roast vegetables. Okay. Now I'm going to add one more thing to that. A bit of plain yogurt. I know it's not vegan. Main reason why I eat yogurt is for the protein. But it's also very tasty. And as usual, we need some homemade kombucha. This one is kiwi fruit. And you know, the kiwi fruits that are in here actually come from BC. They grow on the island nearby. Okay, let's go have our lunch. Well, last time I was sat here, everything was covered in snow. I think now spring has arrived. This is the thing. Everything is impermanent. Nothing lasts. So although right now the whole world is on fire, everybody's worried, guarantee you, in a few years, things will blow over. So, to the benefit of all sentient beings, let's see what this tastes like. Take a big chunk of carrot. I'm glad I left the skins on. So much more earthy and tasty. The carrot's absolutely stunningly delicious. So simple. And the mushrooms are really nice. In fact, when you cook food like this, slowly in the oven, then it just retains all its flavor. Beetroot's very sweet, quite crunchy. And the squash is perfect. Nicely done, nice flavor. And that skin is actually quite tasty. The skin has a nice texture and it's tasty when it's cooked in the oven. Right, I'm gonna eat my lunch. I've got a ferry to catch. So see you later.